What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another unboxing, and welcome to JECS, guys. We're gonna be doing an unboxing on the Chase B Travis Scott Jumpman jacks here, and I'm excited for this. You guys know my history with these Jumpman jacks. I pretty much have the whole collection except for one, which is the brown colorway, the all brown colorway. I have the University Reds, won that off the Travis Scott raffle. Got the mochas. And now, and we also got the green ones. Can't remember what they're called. Can't remember what those are called, but the green ones, they're on the channel. You can see. And then we also now have the Chase B Jordan Jumpman jacks. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and my main channel, JECS Gaming. All the link for all that stuff is in the description down below for all my socials. And if you guys want to know the retail price and a little background about the shoe, all that stuff is in the description down below as well. Okay, so yeah, so this is a size 14, true to size, off of the website, the Travis Scott website, and it's a green box. So this is really cool. I like the box off rip. I think all of the Jumpman jacks have had a brown box. I believe so. So yeah, I believe so. I really can't remember. It's crazy. It gets to a point where you have so many shoes in your collection, you forget like what you have, you know. But anyways, here we have them, man. Here's a look at the box here. The Jumpman logo with the Cactus Jack logo, T-Rex on the side here, got Jack and the Jordan logo there. Same thing on the other side. Look at the bottom, and here's a look at the top. You know what I'm saying? Top looks fire. Okay, I'm playing around. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it, man. All right, I'm excited that we got these clearly. When we also have another shoe to unbox on the channel, so definitely stay tuned. Oh wow, so we get black paper off rip. Nice. This looks good. This looks really good. I like the presentation, the green box, the black paper. Obviously these do glow in the dark as well. I'm gonna see if I can test it out in here. We'll see what I can do. Now, the last Jumpman jacks that we unboxed, the green ones, the green and cell ones, those didn't come with a bag from the Travis Scott website, and I know it was like an exclusive, I believe, for some of the black bags. So let's see if this one comes with a bag. No, it doesn't. Dang, no, it does not. So if you guys won the raffle off of the Cactus Jack website and you guys are still waiting for your shipment, it looks like these do not come with a duffel bag as well, which does suck. It's unfortunate, but you wear the shoes, not the bag, so it's not the biggest deal in the world to me. No paper, no sticker, because normally these do come with a sticker on them. No sticker this time. Oh wow, and here's a look at them. Oh, this is like my first detailed look at them. I saw Jumpman jack, I'm getting them. I want to, my goal is to get as many Jumpman jacks as possible until there's one that's just impossible to get. Then I'm just like, you know what, you got it. So if I can try to complete the collection, I will. And wow, off rip. Okay, so we got some changes here. If we compare it to, oh my gosh, yo, these are, oh, hold on. Now, the reason why I'm hyped is because these are a lot different compared to like your basic Jumpman jacks. So yeah, it looks, I don't know, it doesn't say anywhere. We'll check the other shoe. Typically this part of the shoe will wear off once once you wear them. So I'm assuming the same applies for here, but it doesn't say anything about that happening. So I guess it's you'll find out once you wear them, but it looks like it probably will wear off once you wear. Yeah. Once you wear these, the jack and then the Chase B will eventually rub off, but these do glow in the dark here. The tongue here, you guys can see the green Jumpman. Look at that. Here's the back as well for you guys. And here's the shoe. So we got some leather here, which looks really nice. I don't think we have any leather on the other Jumpman jacks. Nice Velcro, really cool. I love the Velcro. My thing is, like, I get nervous when it comes to shoes and Velcro because, you know, it's about time where there's gonna be a time where the Velcro is probably gonna wear out. So let's hope that lasts a long time. You got like a netted, toe box, which is really cool. Got some suede here, a whole bunch of different materials. As you guys can see, you got some like bumps on here. Like, I think that's by design. Yeah, it looks like there's like some bumps on the leather here, which it looks like it's by design possibly. When you look at the pictures online, like I glimpsed at it, I didn't really look too into the shoe. I just wanted to wait for my unboxing, and I didn't realize there's this many different materials on this one shoe. Like, I'm actually very hyped about this shoe right now. This is like super cool. All right, and we get some gray looking laces. So that's for the first shoe. Overall, the left shoe looks really cool. Let's take a look at the right shoe. All right, guys, and here's a look at the right shoe. Please tell me there's extra spare laces. Yes, there is. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is great. I'm so hyped. So we also have multiple laces here, which I'm super hyped about. And as you guys can tell, bam, on the bottom, it says Chase B, which is really cool. So here's what it looks like side by side. A Jack Chase B. That's so fire. Overall, this shoe's sick, man. I'm actually, I want to do a ranking. I still need to get, like I said, I need to get the all brown Jumpman Jacks. I will get those soon. But so far in all my collection, I'm gonna go with the University Reds first, because we know the story of how that launch was. And then I'm gonna go these, the mochas, and then the, oh, I might go actually those green ones and then the mochas. You know, you guys can see the ones that I'm talking about. I have an unboxing of all the Jumpman Jacks on the channel, so you guys can literally watch them. Yeah, enough talking, man. I'm just hyped. I was not expecting, like, this is my genuine reaction. All my unboxings are off rip, like they're genuine. I was not expecting all these materials and details. So this is by design. It's not a flaw. So the leather actually has like bumps on it. And like I said, I didn't look at the pictures that clearly, so I didn't notice that they had this, but that is so fire. Look at this. Let me, there we go. As you guys can see, the netting all across the midsole, pretty much all the way up to the toe box here. I love that netting on the shoe. That's super unique when it comes to the Jumpman Jacks. Gray all over, like a very light, like a what's it called, light bone or gray, whatever gray you would call this. There it is on the side there. Very good, and the quality is really, ooh, not a fan of this. I hate when this happens with Nikes, where the Nike logo is kind of like off a little bit, so that's not good. But other than that, can't complain. Jumpman logo in pink. I want to get 2 pairs of these so bad. We'll see how the resale goes. Resale on these is about like what, almost like 300, about 340 in a size 14, because this is a size 14. So if they drop down to retail, because I know these are pretty easy to get, if they drop down, I'll probably try to get a second pair. Oh yeah, typical fashion. We'll get into that. But before we do that, on the inside it says Chase B on the insole, and then on this one it says Jack. So that's really cool. And so we get our white pair of laces. These don't look sale. This looks like a pure white. We obviously get our phantom looking laces, and then pink laces. Let me know, what laces would you rock with this shoe? I would probably rock, honestly, I love the phantom. I'll probably rock one with the phantom and then the other one with pink. Definitely, if I do a lace swap on these, that's probably how I'll do it. But man, this is unbelievable. This looks really good. You know, like, yeah. This was a really interesting pair of shoes right here. I was not expecting this shoe to be as good as it is. Wow. So I also turned off all the lights. Still, because of my monitors and stuff like that, it's kind of hard to see, but the green does have like a highlight effect to it, so these do glow in the dark as well, which is really cool. I really do like that about this shoe. and I like the light green on it, like the really nice color that pops out. Yeah, so these, if you do have them in the dark, they will glow in the dark, but obviously because I still have some lights, it's kind of hard to see, but it does glow in the dark, which a really cool touch to these shoes for sure. Oh my gosh, I'm noticing so many details. So this is after the unboxing. Before we end the video, I was packing up the shoe. There's 3M on the outline of the shoe. It was shining in the light. Oh my gosh. So the gray edges here, all this right here, it's all 3M. Oh my goodness. Yo, this thing has tons of, yo, yeah, this is one of the best Jumpman jacks for sure. These things have incredible detail. Wow, so many cool things. Look at that, 3M all along here. I'll show you guys. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but it doesn't really pick it up that well on camera. But yes, there is 3M on the edges of the shoe. There's no way that's not 3M. That's definitely 3M. It's shining right now. That is definitely 3M. But that's everything for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Travis Scott Jumpman Jack Chase B shoes here in the comment section down below. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Let me know, do you guys think that these are a must cop, or do you guys think that these are a skip? I think that these are definitely a must cop. I love unique shoes like this. Like, this is so cool. I love the different colors. I love the different materials. This is a shoe that I cannot wait to rock. And yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with these. These shoes right here are really fire. I was not expecting this. Great lace options, great details, very unique. And yes, this part does go away as you walk in them, but they do glow in the dark, which is really cool. Has a whole bunch of different materials as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for more, because I do have another shoe unboxing dropping very, very soon. And I'll see you guys on the next. I'm signing out. Peace.